Hey ninjas, welcome back to another video. It's a Ninja Aiden. Today we're going to be looking at my legendary sword. Let's do this. So if we go inside here, it says lots of stuff like this person eating a cheeseburger. Oh, I think someone's coming inside. Hello.
Hola, señor. I speak Spanish.
Hello, what would you like?
Oh, hola. I'd like some cheese. Yeah, some cheese.
Is that it? Just the cheeseburger?
Just cheeseburger. And I'm gonna take it to go.
Alright, the total would be...
What are you doing?
I can't remember myself. The total was $6.
Oh my gosh!
The total was $6.
Ah!
The total was $6.
$6? Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
The TV just broke.
That was from there. Alright, let's put the cheeseburger on the grill. And by the way, I'll just give you a tour of my kitchen. So, I'm so writing. So,
What?
I'm gonna make up come out that corner and drop him beside it.
I'm just gonna go to my bed.
it's over here. We got
Hey,
some
Flash, get it,
some
get the
ice
hands
cream
on me.
machine. And here, we got the cheeseburger grill. We got the grill and the fire thing. And over here, we got my bake. You need the key to open it. See that?
The zip line broke. The roller coaster broke.
So, open it. So then, and here we got my drinks. Yeah, we'll put the cheeseburger down. You can get it.
The zip line broke.
Here's your cheeseburger, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Open it. Oh, there we go. Dang! Wait. That was really great. America! It's like a movie.
That was it. But hey, let's give you some more tours of my restaurant.
Oh my god!
Oh, I just broke it.
Wait.
That's not over here. In this other room, we got the clothing.
And guys, look at this.
What are you going to show your clothes? Yes. And then
Up here on the stairs.
look at this fun little slide.
Ah! My big pixel broke it.
Guys, this is my... Guys, this is my bed.
Guys, this is my bed. Can you put the cameras on me?
Down here, we got the playground. Yeah, we can play around now. We can play around here.
And guys, this is my bedroom. Can you put the cameras on me?
If you're on the stairs, you can go up. And then there's like a side down here, another side, the zip line.
And then, wait,
And this right there.
and then my bedroom. And then,
Oh,
look at this.
Alright, let's go. Oh, look at the zip line.
I don't want to ride it.
Yeah, this is my favorite. Wow.
I'm stuck.
Wow, that's fun. That's fun. That's so fun. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Oh, don't hit me. Wait. Whoa. It's about to end. But I don't see how we're supposed to go. Oh. What? That was... What? It doesn't go back. It's about to go back. Yes, it doesn't go back. You gotta get out right there.
My butt's stuck. My booty's stuck. I got stuck.
What is happening?
My butt just got stuck to the floor.
Focus.
My butt just got
Yo,
stuck.
can you go on the other guys to show them how done?
I'm just gonna ride the zip line again. It's going back.
Okay, reset it. I'll show you now.
Ride it again, sir.
And this over here.
Sir, can I ride it
It
again?
spins. Yeah.
Can you help me?
And then you can just spin him.
Can you help me?
And what are you doing? Just go on it.
I want to ride it again. It was fun.
Okay, then go on it.
Can you help me? Give me a little boost.
No. You can do it.
No, I can't do that. Wow, I'm about to fall out of my seat. My bad. Block. I'm gonna go back. Yay!
Down here. You got the zip line.
Yay!
Go back, dude. You got.
Where about
Now, let me show you the slide. I'm going down the side. Oh. Let's try. Let's go back up. Alright, there's another side right here.
take that about you guys have to subscribe this. The only people that don't subscribe this are little.
Jay, get up.
That's fine.
Huh?
Oh. I'm gonna show you how to open that safe.
Aiden, get all your Legos up.
Alright, hold on.
Like actually, like the Legos are done.
Gotta open this quick. We're picking up. Stick it in.
Shania, can I take everything back here? Take everything from back here? Trash? Huh? That's not noticeable.
And look, see? It opens. And oh, look, see it open? Now if we take all the stuff there, we got some valuables in there. Let me get all the valuables out. Okay, hold on. See, there's lots of stuff in there. Like crystals, money. Yeah. I also got, I made this gun. Look. That's how this gun works.
But baby, we can't see the bottom. I just wanna dive in with you. I just wanna lie here with you. Just be careful. Always your promise me no promises. Just be
Shot. How to say cool. Hey, it's not so important, really.
Like that? Huh? Like,
Like this. Lock it in this hole.
I think we should hide it so we don't really be able to find it. Y'all are gonna find it there.
Put through those holes. And it will lock. Here's the key. Push through. And then this. And then right over here, we got my friend's bed chases.
It's so much
It's
fun
right
the way
here.
it just bounces. It goes up and then it goes straight down.
Yeah.
And it goes right back up. And then it goes up
Can you
higher.
give them a tour of your bed?
And it goes bounces up.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get the zip line down. That's perfect.
Now, can you give them a tour of your bed?
This is the tour in my bed. Look, it goes up. Oh, sorry, this is both. But look, there's a bench and light to give you light when you sleep. And then, oh, yeah, and then look, you don't even need a blanket because it keeps you warm. And that's it.
Yeah. I still got my own bed right here. And it's not that crazy though. So you can make the bed go down.
How many subscribers do you have?
What?
Huh?
And then what?
How many subscribers do you have?
26 or 27. You go up here.
Why not 67?
And then
So you got paid money?
no, I don't get paid. Right here. Put your blanket on you.
Let it
Cover it up with some windows. Close that part in case you don't want the light to come in.
itself.
And it blocks the light. Some stairs on these sides. That's our video. Hope you enjoyed.
Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.